As a reviewer, I'm always looking to upgrade and add to my gear. Now, with that being said, I do consider myself, sort of a bargain hunter. I don't need to have the latest and greatest, nor do I want to spend a premium if I really don't have to. And I truly believe that you don't have to spend thousands or even hundreds of dollars when purchasing cameras, lenses, tripods, or whatever. So here is my best budget camera gear. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Teching ain't easy. I'm here to help. So one of the newest additions to my gear is this Cayer BV30 tripod. Now for $130, you're getting an extremely solid build here with the all aluminum construction, fully adjustable height from 30 inches up to about 72 inches, which is pretty damn tall. Now, my favorite thing about this tripod is the fluid head that comes with it. Now, the fluid head on here allows you to get some really just buttery smooth pans and tilts. Now, part of that is due to the counterweight that's equipped here on this fluid head. Now, you really don't see counterweights on a lot of tripods at this price range. If you plan on shooting video, you need something that's not only heavy duty, but gonna offer you some really smooth shots, then you really can't go wrong with the Cayer BV30L. I'll go ahead and link it along with everything else I talk about in the description. Now, usually resting on that tripod is my camera, the Sony a5000. This is a mirrorless camera released by Sony in mid-2014, and while it's a 4-year-old camera, it's still very capable. Now, this, along with almost all my videos from the past 3 months or so, have all been shot with this guy. The low light performance is pretty damn good. It's got a flip out screen, which is perfect for vlogging or, any YouTube video just to make sure you're in frame, and it's just a solid camera. Now, since it is a 4-year-old camera, you can go ahead and pick this guy up used for around $200 to $250 with the 18 to 55 millimeter kit lens. Damn good starter kit lens. However, if you're looking to get some bokeh on a budget, who do I have the lens for you? This is the 7 Artisans 25 millimeter f1.8 prime lens. I recently picked up this little guy and I have been blown away by it, man. It's fantastic and it's under $75 for both pictures and videos. It's gonna give you amazing results. It's not the sharpest image, but if you want a nice bokeh, then you can't go wrong with the 7 Artisan 25 millimeter lens, especially if you're stuck in some low light situations. This lens is sure to impress. Now, speaking of low light, if you're looking to up the quality of your videos, that's one way to do so, and it was one of my very first purchases. This is the SD lighting kit. Now, this kit I purchased comes with 2 big soft boxes and 2 bulbs along with 2 light stands. And guys, these are extremely bright. I usually have them facing the wall so the light bounces off for a softer effect. Now, these are pretty big and they do take up a bit of space. So if you're in a tight space or you travel a lot, I would recommend the newer LED dimmable light. Pick up 2 of these and some light stands and you're good to go. And the great thing here is that they are extremely small. You can, if you're tight on space, you can just put these up and bam. However, the downside is that you have to remember to, 1, either charge the battery, or 2, you have to buy some spares so that your battery's always charged. Is this the very best? No, but I'll tell you what, these products do a damn good job. And when someone sees my shots, I guarantee you they think my gear costs double or hell, even triple the price. It's all about how you utilize what you got. Now, if you're interested in picking up any of these products that we talked about, as usual, I'll go ahead and link them in the bloop. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out some of my other content. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.